We know the public loves dinosaurs. Kids want to go to the museum to see dinosaurs. The first time I visited NPM as a little kid, that was sort of what I remembered and took with me. Dinosaurs show us that the world used to be different. I just think that stirs the imagination more than anything else.
Take a trip back in time.
Our Torosaurus skeleton is one of our iconic specimens. It was found by Milwaukee Public Museum staff and volunteers in Montana in 1981. It's been on display for over 35 years, and it's going to be featured prominently in the Nature and Culture Museum of Wisconsin. So to prepare it for its move, we work with a company called Research Casting International. They're the best of the best in the business. They've done major projects for other museums, and we knew that they were the right company to work with to both safely take down our skeletons and fix them up and get them reposed for our new exhibits.
Taking down the specimen takes a total of about 2 days. First of all, we want to take off the bones that are most easily accessible. So the ribs, the forelimbs, the backbone, some of the hip elements, and then finally, the most challenging will be the skull.
Its skull is massive. We guess that it's probably around 2,000 pounds. It's nearly 9 feet in length. So we had to build a steel frame to support it. And then we had a giant empty crate arrive here for the skull.
Packing is very, very important. Various forms of foam, layering is done, and then we make individual pockets for different bones, and then it all get crated and shipped back to our facility in Canada to be worked on in our lab there. The bones require considerable cleaning just because of the years of dust that collect, but also what happens over time is that the fossil dries out. So to get moisture back, we use a liquid plastic that helps strengthen it, and then through the whole process of remounting. Each bone will get its own armature made. It's done in articulation, so each bone can be accessed for scientific study. And so the whole process takes a considerable amount of time. And then it all gets taken apart and brought back to the museum where we do the full assembly again on site.
What visitors are going to see is our newly reposed Torosaurus skeleton facing off with a life-size model of a Torosaurus, according to our latest scientific understanding. And one of the discoveries that's been made concerns a puncture wound, and we think that that clash may have been with another Torosaurus. So visitors are going to essentially pass underneath this battle scene of these fascinating ancient animals. We've put a lot of thought into the entire diorama itself. And that sort of is where the science meets the art. We're thinking about what the habitats were like, how these dinosaurs moved, what colors they might have been. We want to make this diorama as immersive as possible. So we're excited to transport our visitors from the world of today and back millions of years ago to the age of dinosaurs.
Take a trip back in time.